Alright guys, this is another rehab about to get started, and let's go ahead inside and take a look. Alright, I'm inside the house, pretty warm. We just got the AC on, but still pretty warm in here. And let's go ahead and do a little tour and show you what this looks like. So this is a complete rehab, right? So pretty destroyed. And we just started ripping out some stuff. Let me go show you the kitchen. Alright, so there's the kitchen that's all stripped out and is gonna have to be put back together. And there is the living room. Alright, let's show you some more of this house. So this is actually quite a big house. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. So I'll show you one bedroom right here. And this is one of the other bedrooms. Bathroom. So as you can see, this is quite a bit of work, right? I'm estimating probably about $25,000 worth of work to get this up and ready to list on the MLS. And but it'll be worth it when it's done, right? Market's really hot right now, very, very easy to sell properties. So we're gonna take advantage of that, fix this up and put it on the MLS. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you wanna learn how to do this, make sure you attend my Fix and Flip Bootcamp, and I will see you guys on the next video.